Hoo hoo hoo. Now we are back in Brookhaven and let's see how much time it is passed since I uploaded a single Brookhaven video. Oh my god, what are you doing? Are you trying to crash into me? Like, bro, do you even remember that I died doing a car crash? Then I became a ghost? Oh, anyways, look at the Brookhaven. It's way too new now. Seems like nothing happened, bro. What the? But look at the houses. Wait, there's no way. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. There are now new houses. So today we're gonna be talking about the horses. You all know that we got this horse. Everyone literally knows that. You can just get this some design. Let's go with the body textures like that. Body colors. I'll pick this one, mane and tail. This one. Then saddle. Of course green. Oh, let me choose a darker one. There's my horse. But there's now other ways. Oh, by the way, there's a new pre-horse. It's in this. What the? Oh, everyone knows about that bug. Why are you glitchy? Tell me, why are you bugging? What's happening? I guess I have to reset. Oof. What the oof? Wait. That's added again in Roblox. Let me show you. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh. The oof. I remember that. Oh, anyways, horse, don't you dare glitch again. I swear, okay, finally, why is it so bugged? And it's so slow. What? Why is so slow? Let me set it. What? You're as slow as snail. Okay, finally. Normal speed. Let me check. Testing mic. Oh, just kidding. What is happening? What the? Oh. Okay, it seems pretty normal. Let's change the colors though. Body textures with here. But oh. What the? I don't like your colors though. I'll pick this one. Then oh. You look like old. And the saddle. Okay, this looks pretty weird. Let me change the texture. It's pretty ugly with that. Oh, I think you kinda make it even worse. Okay, now it's finally alright. Look at this horse! Oh my, I'm just laughing how funny. Okay, let's go with this one. I'm gonna be designing everything. Every horses, I mean. Okay, let's choose for you this one. What a flower. Never mind, let me choose this one though. Let me change the body color. Mane and tail. Bro, I cannot even spell that. Oh yay! Look how handsome though. Okay. Good thing I really have the horse game pass. I still have Robux by the way. Can I get another game pass? Plant unlock. It's only 200. Music. Wait! Paces. About speed. Disaster. Bro, it's 200. Vehicle pack. Wood pack. Bro, almost all my game passes are in this line. Example, the vehicle upgrade, penthouse, on-demand fire, and horse. I only don't have premium. Yep. Okay, enough. Okay, we're gonna go with this color. Wait, I'm just gonna change its textures. Kinda ugly, not gonna lie. Let me get you gray. Here you go. Huh? Why am I always choosing? Let me choose this one for you. And saddle, pink. Oh, yay. She's a girl, though. It's just kind of messed up. Okay, let's go with this now. Oh, yay. Look at this. Okay, let's change it. This, leave that color. Meaning tail to this one. Oh my gosh. He looks so cool. Oh, yay. This is really cool, though. What will you rate any of horses? Can you comment down below? I really want to know your rating. What are you doing, though? Okay, let's move on to the other one, which is gonna be this white, this one. Let's also leave the color and the texture. I'll just change the mane and tail. I always misspell. Yes, yes, much better than ever. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's move to the other one, which is this one. Bro, you look so tiny. Wait, to fit in. Wait, let's make my avatar tiny. Wait, I realize you can now ride a horse just stepping on it. Pretty weird addition though. Bro, I'm slipping! Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's just like this. Let me change the body texture. Body color to this. What the? Do you even change colors? And saddle. Let's leave it white. Oh my gosh. Why this texture looks so messy? Okay, what will you rate it? Okay, now let's move on to the last but not the least, final horse. Wait, I'm too small though. Let me change it to 75. It matches though. Yay. It really matches you a lot though. Let's change the main. Oh, yeah, I will not say that. Why is an earthquake happening? Bro, stop! Oh! Let's leave the texture like this. Oh, flower. I think she's a girl though. Look. This is really cool. So, what is the best horse? Let me just get them real quick. Let me get. So, I'm in this one. Damn. Then this one. Though it's really small. Though. Then then this one. Oh yay. That one. Oh, you're just very big. Whoa! Can you not make me wait? Okay, then this one. What will you rate at them when there's no outfits? And if there's outfits. And this one, well, look at her though. Oh, I can't believe it. You're making me wait for 0 seconds. What is going on right now? Okay, then this one is just pretty big. It's just really big because I smalled my avatar. Let me go back. Though. Then, hey, is it this one? Oh, no. Then this one, which, oh, bro. Whoa, bro. What the bro? I broke. Okay, then this one, which is a pre one. So you can get him anytime soon. Then this oldest and pre one. Hey yo, this is the normal one by the way. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, I really hope you guys enjoy it. And bye bye though. Yo, you still wanna add me in Roblox? Just type Josh ENG though. It's easy.